Welcome to our math review on money. Our goal in first grade is to know the name of each coin as well as the value of the coin and to be able to add coins together. So here we have a little rhyme to help us remember these coins. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, worth 5 cents. I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I'm told. Be sure to practice with coins at home. You need to know the name and the value and then work on trying to add those coins together. Remember, practice is how we get better.